Hi, I'm Allison, and this is Math Bytes. And today we're talking about finding x and y intercepts. Finding x and y intercepts isn't too difficult, but it's one of those topics a lot of people find confusing, so we're going to try to clear it up. A little terminology first. An x-intercept is where the graph of your equation intercepts or crosses the x-axis. And a y-intercept is where the graph of your equation crosses the y-axis. So, in our graphs here, the blue points are x-intercepts, and the red points are y-intercepts. Now, at those x-intercepts, those blue points, y is equal to 0. And at the y-intercepts, the red points, x is equal to 0. So, let's go through the procedure for finding intercepts. To find the x-intercept, set y equals to 0 in your equation and solve. And to find the y-intercept, set x equal to 0 in your equation and solve. And that's basically what you do. Now, this is important. An intercept is not an individual value like x equals 2. It's a coordinate pair. It's a location in the coordinate plane, and that's how we have to express our answer. Just a little reminder, when we plot a point in the coordinate plane, it has both an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate that tell us where it is, where it's located. So, for example, here, the point is AB. At that point, x is equal to A and y is equal to B. That's how we know where to find it. Same thing with intercepts. They are locations, and we have to express our answer that way. So let's say, for example, I wanted to find an x-intercept, so I set y equal to 0 and I solve, and I come up with x equals some number m. My x-intercept is not x equals m. My x-intercept is the point m0. It's the point where x equals m and y equals 0. Now, if I'm trying to find a y-intercept, and I set x equal to 0 and I solve, and I get y equals some number n, then my y-intercept is the point 0n. It's the point where x equals 0 and y equals n. And that's how I have to write the answer, or it's not correct. It's not an intercept. Okay, our next couple of videos are going to go through examples of how to find intercepts for both a linear equation, the equation of a line, and a quadratic equation, which is the equation of a parabola. So check them out and see what you think. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. Why don't you email us and let us know what you think, or if there's something you'd like us to answer for you. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we'll see you next time.